This is the before. I installed 2 Solatubes in my living room. They're tubular daylight systems, and they made a world of difference. We love them. We think they're awesome, and here's how I did it. Woo! So then you grab this piece, and this part twists to adjust for what angle that you might need. So you just pop this up in there. So then you come up here, go through the hole, and you find your exit point. Mine is gonna be right there. So I've got 11 foot, to mark 1.5 through the roof where I'm gonna go with the roof flashing. I leave my drill bit in there so when I go on the roof, I can find it easily. So you put it where you want it, right there, and mark it with chalk. Like so, and then try and keep that rolling off the roof. And then you want to go wider than what you just marked out. And then now, the fun part. That's how it's gonna sit. Now I need to pull it out, cock the bottom of it, stick it back in there and screw it. Since I have 11 foot in my roof, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the dome piece and take this in one, and then I'll build the bottom and put it up through the ceiling and meet it in the middle there. Inside is very shiny, and these are tapered. One side will go all the way in, and then you put the middle in, and on this side, you just put the top notch in. It'll look like that. Tape that they've kindly supplied. And then there's this gasket. And then you will slide this piece in. All right, we actually made it before the sun went down, which is cool. So, I'm gonna put this in there. And it should be angled right at it. This shiny piece goes in here and moves face south. So it's clipped in there. It's snug. Won't go anywhere. Good to go. Now let's build some serious duct. Now I have to go through there. I'm gonna put that piece back on, and I have to go up through the attic, and then hopefully I can get it to connect with the piece that's coming through the roof. Easy peasy, donezo. I am proud of that. All right, and I'm putting light kits in these, so I'll show you how to do that too. So you start by drilling a 3/4 of an inch hole, 7.5 inches up. We make our 15th trip back into the attic. So then with a 3/4 inch hole, you take this piece and it actually threads right in it. Fantastic. And then you want to take these out. Then you take this piece right here, thread those 3 wires through that hole, and then tighten it on with that ring right there. Just did all that with one hand. What's up? And we'll go back up in the attic and just wire it up in a J-box. All right, the black on the hot and the white on the not. All right, it's wired up and ready for some light bulbs. I'm excited. I have the second one right there. That one wasn't as long. So I got 2 in my living room now. Let's go see what it looks like. And this is what my house looks like now. It's all natural light in here. There's not a single light in the house on. Just natural light from that Solatube right there and another one on the other side of the living room. Brings in a ton of natural light. We love them. And what's awesome is that there's also light kits in there. So at nighttime, we can still turn the lights on. It doesn't take away from any of the can lights at all. So now the only question is, where else am I gonna put these in my house? Because we're obsessed.